What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and plot twist, I finally got these AirMax 720s all the way on. Now if you've seen my AirMax 720 review, you have all the context you need for this video. If you haven't, no worries, fire through this quick video and I'm going to link it at the end for you to watch the entire review, because I go over all the information you need to know, as well as an on-foot look and review of the sneakers, which I love. The unfortunate thing with this sneaker is they are just too narrow for me. Now, I had trouble getting the zippers on both sides all the way up on the sneakers, and I came back to it after a while because I thought to myself, it's just crazy. There's got to be a way for me to get these sneakers all the way on my foot. There's no way they're that narrow. And essentially, what I was doing wrong was I didn't loosen the entirety of the sneaker all the way. Like, the laces down here were still kind of tight. And in my frustration of trying to put the shoes on, I thought I might break the zipper. I was pulling on so hard, I just abandoned putting the sneaker on. I was like, don't break them, because I want to send them back, and I don't want to have to deal with Nike questioning me why I am sending back a ripped pair of sneakers. So I loosened these things, and I had to loosen them up like all the way to get the shoe on, which, all right, fine. There's already enough going on with the sneaker with unbuttoning and unzipping. It was pretty a tedious process for me to get the shoe all the way on, but nonetheless, I got them all the way on, and unfortunately, even with them fully zipped and tied loosely, my feet are just kind of like poking out both sides. It's just not a comfortable fit for me. So I'm still very determined on getting myself a pair of Air Maxes with this sole, because I love the sole and it's comfortable to walk on, that's for sure. So I'm going to try another pair of Air Max 720s in the future. In the meantime, I'm just going to have to admire this shoe from afar, because I do love the silhouette. I think it's a beautiful shoe, but it's just not working for me in the width department. Now, that's not to say that another Air Max 720 in the future will work for me, and when it comes out, when the next silhouette drops, I'll probably get my hands on it and review it for you guys and let you know if it works for me. I'm a little bit more flat-footed. Most Jordans are the most comfortable for me. The LeBrons are very comfortable for me as well, but then also the Kyries are comfortable. So it's kind of hit and miss with Nike with me. I really like some, I really like the others. For instance, the VaporMax soles are kind of a narrow shoe, but I love my Acronym VaporMaxes. I've ran in my Acronym VaporMaxes, did 3 miles in them, and my feet didn't hurt nearly the way that my VaporMax AirMax 95s did, which is weird because you think same sole, different upper, but it kind of shouldn't affect the run that much, but it really did. So one pair of AirMax 720s will not equate to all pairs of AirMax 720s not working out for me, and you shouldn't feel that way either if one shoe didn't work out for you versus the other. So that's it, guys. Finally got the shoe on. Just wanted to clarify that. Did feel kind of stupid, honestly, because I thought to myself, there's no way that this shoe isn't working. Like this, I have to be able to get it on my foot. So finally did. It's still not for me. I'm going to send it back. Next pair of 720s hopefully will be better. In the meantime, like, subscribe. Got my Air Jordan 6 infrareds editing right now. Gonna get it posted as quick as possible. They just came in the mail at the end of last week. And after that, I got some tech reviews coming, as well as some beer and whiskey reviews I'm going to be doing. So if you're into that, please like and subscribe, and they will be coming as soon as possible. You can see my beer rack behind me right now. I've got a ton of awesome things, some old beers, some fresh beers, some crazy ingredient beers that I want to share with you guys. So keep it locked, hit the like, subscribe. Again, let me know how you feel about these shoes. If they were working for you, I'm very happy for you, because I think they are a gorgeous, gorgeous sneaker. And if you like them, you should definitely get your hands on them. And a new colorway is dropping, I think, next week, and it's like an all white with a red stripe. I'm gonna post a pic right now. There they are. I think they look maybe even better than these Motorsport. They're definitely a cleaner look. So if you weren't kind of agreeing with the Motorsport aesthetic, this one looks like it could be the one for you. All right, guys, that's it. Check out the review on these if you haven't seen it yet, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good one, guys. See ya.